Doug Thompson. We're here in the shop today with some of our young friends, and I've got a fountain surround project. I need to take a fountain that's kind of a self-contained fountain and elevate it about 16 inches in front of a wall. But I've decided to use 1¼ inch square solid for the legs. So what we're going to do today is we're going to twist and then upset the legs. The sequence is going to be to warm up the ends of the bars with the forge as a preheat. And then we're going to take the oxyacetylene torch and we're going to heat the very lower sections to get it almost to a lemon yellow color so that we can upset it. Different forging operations are done at different temperatures, and the upsetting operation, I always like to keep the steel as hot as possible. Use that over here. Like this. Sweep it like that. Done. You gotta go for it. You want to be about 1 inch off directly on top of it. If you go like that, you lose your move. Okay. Right there. Back and forth. First inch. Okay. Compared to the other one we just got. Hold on. Yeah. No. End to end. Take it over there. There you go. So you gotta go a little more. So you can put it right up there. So, we gotta go a little more. And now let's go ahead and there we go. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna quench it a little bit.